Mohit sat on his bed, staring at the rejection email on his laptop. His dream job had slipped through his fingers again. "Maybe I'm not good enough," he whispered. The weight of failure pressed heavily on his shoulders. His mother entered the room, placing a gentle hand on his shoulder. "Mohit, remember what you always say. I am capable, strong, and resilient. Say it now." Hesitant at first, Mohit repeated the words. The next morning, Mohit woke up early, stood before the mirror and repeated, "I am capable, strong, and resilient." Each day he worked harder, sending out applications, learning new skills, and pushing past self-doubt. Weeks later, his phone rang. It was a job offer. His hands trembled as he heard the words, "Welcome to our team, Mohit." He had done it. His resilience had paid off. Mohit now shares his story with others, encouraging them to believe in themselves. He knows that affirmations aren't just words. They are the foundation of resilience and success.